Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add Lottie animation in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add animation. So first we are going to download it. So we are in website Lottie files. So you can create account on it and then you can download any animation. So we selected this and then you see download, so click on it. So we download it and then you see open, so click on it. So we are going to download JSON file. Now you see Lottie JSON, so click on download. Now you see file name technology.json, so click on save. Now file save done. Go to website page again. Now you see container, so we are going to add widget plus icon. Now in search widget write Lottie. Now you see widget, so drag and drop here, so you can add this widget anywhere you want. And then you see source media file and then you see upload JSON file, so we are going to upload. Now click on it, enable. Now select file, so this is a JSON file. Now select upload and then click on select again. Now you see Lottie animation file edit. Then you see alignment, so you can set alignment center. If you want, you can set caption, title. Now go to setting. Now you see trigger viewport, so you can set viewport according to requirement. Loop, yes. Now you see loop, enable, so you can set time also. Play speed, now you see 1, so it's up to you. Now we set speed 0.5 second. Now you see start point, end point. If you want, you can enable reverse option, lazy load, so you can do setting according to requirement. Now go to style, so you can increase width for tablet, desktop, mobile layout for maximum width. Now you see, so it's up to you. Now you see 6%, so you can increase or decrease according to requirement. And then you see opacity. Now you see, so you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see Lottie animation added. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.